Hello, my name is Harvey Pinkney, and I want to show you the perfect commercial solar installation. With substantial annual savings and a rapid return on investment in under 12 months, Unity Solar Group's solar solutions offer a compelling case for businesses looking to maximize solar energy potential. Okay, what I need you to do is to email a copy of the front page of your electric bill to the email listed below, or you can take a picture and text it to the phone number listed. What we will do is send a drone up that runs a very complex software program. It will be able to determine from the surface area of your roof, the angles of your roof, how many panels can be placed on your roof, and it can figure how much energy can be generated based on how many panels will fit on the roof. We'll compare that to the usage on your bill and prepare a detailed report on just how much you can save with your perfect solar installation. Thank you very much.